L.O. L.O.E. is the greatest. L.O.E. is the greatest. All these niggas in the game swear that they the greatest. Push your head open, soft as tomatoes. When I'm in the booth, yeah, I'm waking up the neighbors. Ripping run the streets, saying they chasing paper. When I breathe, hip-hop took another breath. Speaking for myself, man, I'm the best left. Presidential campaign like Wycliffe. This is my craft. If you're looking for perfection, invest in protection. Hard insurrection. L.O.E. the greatest. There's so many haters. All these other MCs is looking for attention. That should be forbidden, cause I'm your competition. The sport is all mental. I can see crystal, clear as a window. Studio my tempo, ice below zero. Represent the monkey road. Everybody know I'm the hometown hero. No way, no I would never put the mic down. Hip hop ain't dead. Crazy thoughts keep running through my head. No way, no I would never put the mic down. Hip hop ain't dead. Crazy thoughts keep running through my head. No affiliation with the undercover haters. Ice so chunky, cold as a glacier. Dumbass niggas, L.O.E. the educator. If you want beef, hell, I could be the cater. Spitting out lava, human volcano. Button up slacks in the old school Kango. I can see from every angle if you're plotting on me. You got a problem, money is the motive. If music was a drug, then I'm overdosing. I need rehab, mental institution. Going so hard, I'm afraid of losing. My only competition look just like me. Sunny day on the beach, man, it's hit a breeze. Now I'm in the game, hip-hop still alive. Emotional, soulful, real life music. Say you getting money, stop talking and prove it. No way, no I would never put the mic down.
It's so, I made a mixtape, bitches.
Crazy thoughts keep running through my head. No way,
I'm going in.
I would never put the mic down.
I won't never,
baby. Nah. Crazy thoughts keep running through my head.
G.O.A.T, greatest of all time. Nose candy flow, nigga, you on the line? Tell them don't worry about me, I'm doing fine. Where the streets are them corporates, the city still mine. Nigga, what you know about uncooked rap? I'm the truth and I ain't lying, it's an untold fact. We were wild boys and I'm the only one that ain't scrapped. But be the first one to push his weird back. Know that I'm with cats that act lawless, fearless and love flossing. Swagger's not an issue, we copping shit like bosses. Down south we rep that, I'm fresher than the Tic Tac. I mean, me getting jammed up was just a minor setback. We run around, sun up to sun down, and I'm watching the throne. But who wears the crown? And you clowns, I know you're hoping I would throw in the towel, but it ain't no way, no how.
No way, no how. I would never put the mic down. Hip hop ain't dead. Crazy thoughts keep running through my head. No way, no how. I would never put the mic down. Hip hop ain't dead. Crazy thoughts keep running through my head.